Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one of my very favorite bulk food, parenting, feeding people hacks that has changed my life because we eat a lot of grilled cheese in the Myers house. I don't know about you guys, but trying to make each individual grilled cheese sandwich and then we all weren't eating together, and then if we tried to, by the time the sixth sandwich got done, the first sandwich was cold. And then I learned how to make grilled cheese all at the same time, baked in the oven, and that's what I'm going to show you. Step one is bread. You can use whatever bread you have. I'm using homemade, but store-bought is just fine. Okay, so you're gonna butter one side of your bread and you're gonna flip it over on your pan, just like this. Then you're gonna put your cheese on. I'm making 2 cheese this time, so I'm gonna use some cheddar. I'm gonna sprinkle some mozzarella on top. However, I totally understand that cheese is a personal preference, and sometimes people want more cheese and sometimes people want less cheese, and sometimes people want 2 slices of cheese. And then we're just going to butter the other side of this. Let me go ahead and do that for you guys. I have such amazing buttering skills. I'm just really thrilled with myself. You know, if you get them too buttery, then your hands get really greasy when you're eating them. You don't need a ton. You just put it on there, just like you're making a normal grilled cheese sandwich. While you're making all of your grilled cheese sandwiches, you want to preheat your oven to 375. All right, after you get all your sandwiches assembled, and one of my children has decided he's too good for grilled cheese today, then you're going to bake them at 375 for 8 minutes, and then you're going to pull them out and flip them and cook them for 6. So after 8 minutes, we're going to pull them out and flip them over. I forgot to mention, I'm cooking on a USA pan, which are my total favorite. I got them from Amazon. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link is in the description, but nothing sticks. So if you don't want any after dinner cleanup, like I will literally just wipe this clean. You could use parchment paper if you don't have a USA pan, but if you don't have a USA pan, what are you doing with your life? I mean, buy some. Okay, now we're just gonna flip them over. They're not done yet, but they're starting to get that way. The bread's starting to toast. And now that we've got them all flipped over, we're just gonna put them back in the oven. I have found that the second time around, I only need about 6 minutes, but you can try at 6 and see if you need a few minutes more. But in my oven, I do 8 minutes the first time and 6 minutes the second time. And there you have it. For us, these are done. They're just the right amount of crispy for us, so they're crunchy and crispy with the butter around the edges, and then still a little soft in the middle. But you can totally bake according to your own personal preference. So I hope that this grilled cheese hack changes your life just like it changed mine. So everybody can eat a warm sandwich together at dinner. I don't promise that there won't be any whining. I can promise warm sandwiches. I can't promise no whining. Until next time, see you later.